At Cinna, new org. What are we calling the new org in Nick's Reddit? And it's this photo. Okay, yes. We did take this photo yesterday. I think it's a cute photo, isn't it? Call it online TV? No. Okay, absolutely not. Without NMP, Nick's Angels. No, no. I love Nick, but if I'm ever in a group called Nick's Angels, yeah, my career is donezo, okay? It's donezo. There's no way. There's no way. But yeah, I loved it yesterday. Hanging out with them was really cool. It was nice. It was like literally like girl time plus Nick, you know? It was great. Dude, what is this, man? Can we talk about this? Chat, look at how bad this is, okay? This is so bad.
Flash milk on you?
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
At least try to finish the wings.
Watch it.
Flash milk on you?
Yeah.
Bro, direct splash into the ranch. Like, I literally would not have known. The sound? Wait, you can hear the sound?
At least try to finish the wings.
Ew. Ew, bro. That's so gross.
Flash milk on you?
Yeah. I'm used to that.
Oh, God.
No?
Yeah, you
Oh
did.
my god, no, the Raven just
I'm so glad. I'm so glad that we have clips, bro. Because I was questioning whether or not I was just making that up for so long. I did not know that the bird actually ranch. So I was just running with it. The clip was vile.
Wait.
Look at this. Imagine we had eaten that. Oh, look at it. That's so gross, bro. It's so bad. The Raven get shitted on. Okay. It's the same color, so what's the difference? Yeah,
What?
I know. I know.
The Raven
bro.
just shit?
yes.
What? Where?
Oh no.
Wait, that's the Ravens. Oh my god.
Dude, that's so vile. Imagine nobody caught it. Rhyme, I know. Can you imagine? Like, if we didn't have clips and I didn't know, like, imagine if I had not looked over and I didn't even see the splash. We would have eaten that. Oh my God. I actually would be throwing up right now. I would vanish for a week. I would. Like, that's the most disgusting thing ever. That is so gross. Thank God that we did not do it. Bro, I said something nice about Agent, and then apparently it sparked a reaction that I didn't expect. I was like, what the fuck? Hold on, wait, you gotta see this. I didn't know it was gonna get clipped. I was just saying something nice about like these people because they've been nice to me. Do you know what I mean? Wasn't it what the first thing he says? It, like, he's always looked out for my interests, always helped me to like give me advice and everything like that. Like,
yo, are we getting a rare? Oh, yo, Cinna never says positive shit about me. Yeah.
Am I like a dick all the time, bro? I say nice things about my friends, man. You know, I do. I do, bro. I do. I said, what the fuck? I say nice things about my friends, man. I do. I really, really do. I think I do at least. And then all of a sudden I found out, you know, they're all shocked. You did call Emmy a bitch. Oh. Wait, I forgot about that.
Are we getting a rare? Oh, yo, Cinna never says positive
All right.
shit about me. Yes.
We'll react to it.
Yes. She's right though. Sorry, the sad part is she's right about it though. Like, women do kind of have it unfair when it comes to streaming, unfortunately, especially on Twitch.
True.
Actually, it should really apply everywhere, to be honest with you.
True.
It just like, bro, like they can't even interact with men. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Bro, do you know I saw a comment? Sorry, after this. Sorry to pause it. I saw a comment, it was like 3 days ago on my Complex tweet. And it said, why is Cinna rated as one of like the better streamers to watch this year? All she does is collaborate with people like FaZe and AMP. And that's it. And I said, that's a good thing, right? I said, isn't that a good thing? Like, you see me out here collabing, you're like, damn, okay, she's on her grind. And I said, what? I said, what? Like, what are you talking about? And then I clicked on their profile. Real story. I clicked on their profile. I'm curious, and I'm a hater. Truly, deep down inside my heart, I know I have hater tendencies sometimes. And I click on their profile, and he's responding to these very same creators that I collab with, and saying, "Yo, let me on stream. I can elevate your content." I said, "What the fuck?" I said, "Bitch, what?" I said, "What the fuck?" Yo, I wanted to quote it so bad. I wanted it so bad, but I've changed my ways. You know, I'm a good noodle nowadays. But bro, I said, "What the fuck?"
Without catching some sort of heat, which is not fair. Like if a man did it, then they get congratulated. If a woman does it, then they get shamed. And
True.
Both of them was just content. You get what I'm saying? I think, to be fair, I'll say this to give Cinna her. Oh,
I'm getting individual flowers.
She does a fantastic job at showcasing her personality.
He never says anything nice about me, ever. The last time he ever said anything nice about me was at the end of the Zombies marathon. Not even the Cuphead marathon. Because I remember at the end of the Cuphead marathon, he told me, do the dishes and get back in the kitchen and let the men celebrate or something like that. Like, bro, oh my God, good PR. An agent needs it, okay? We've seen his PR on Twitter the last few weeks, bro. He's been getting cooked.
Whoa. To give Cinna her flowers,
He's been getting cooked.
She does a fantastic job at showcasing her personality.
Thanks.
Even when people try and make the focus something else.
Thanks.
You know? And sometimes, like, it's easy to chase, like, the momentary views of, like, what's working. But, like, the reason people watch her is because of her personality. And
Thanks.
as soon as that becomes your appeal, then it's tough to lose. Like, on the internet, it's tough to lose.
Sometimes the stakes clips pages, they post and say that I have amazing personality or talent. Sorry, that was like such a shady joke. I'm sorry. I'm in a hater mood today, but that's just because I want to be, but I get what he's saying. I couldn't help it. I'm sorry.
And
Okay.
as soon as that becomes your appeal, then it's tough to lose. Like, on the internet, it's tough to lose. That means you really could, like, now you've built a community of people that actually fuck with you.
Thanks.
That's your people now. So she's doing it the right way, bro. No cap. Good for her. And, like, low-key, that's a good example too for other streamers as well. It's so easy to take shortcuts no matter who you are, but, like, you won't build nothing sustainable that way. This is impossible.
True. Thanks. I appreciate it. Man, I realized I don't do well with nice comments. I did not. Bro, my reaction was like, thanks, every time. Like, I do not handle that well. But if he would have shit talked, I would have been like way more outspoken about it. Oh, yeah, I do not do well in compliments. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Cinna next.
Is she drawing? Wait. Why is Mari good at art? Hold up. Is it sped up? Wait. Dude, doing this on like a drawing pad too and everything, I have no talent, bro. None. Is this sped up?
Is it good? Accurate? Kinda.
Oh my god, that looks great.
Does she have like a lot of piercings or something?
She made me look so cute. I love this.
You're actually good. What the fuck? I used to draw a little bit. I don't draw anymore. I don't
Wait,
really
I
do
look
like
so
any like
great.
any,
This is
any
so
like sketches or
cute.
drawings anymore. I had poop on the jacket. Bird poop. Extend her forehead. No.
There is
Cinna's forehead's not
no
that big, man.
way, bro.
Cinna. Bro, Alma, you know how to draw Cinna so well, like so accurately, dude.
Bro, Mari draws. You know what this drawing reminds me of? Like, do you know like kids shows and like when they draw like people's faces in interaction? It reminds me of like drawings that you would use in like an animation, like a kid show. Like this looks like an animated version of me, doesn't it? You could animate this and it will look like me talking. That's what it reminds me of. This is so good. What the fuck? Mari's wait, what is this?
That little ass little milk carton. Oh, why did it go inside the cup?
Bro, it's so gross.
Perfectly inside.
Oh, it's so gross, bro. Actually,
No. I deadass feel like she has horrible luck.
Yes.
It's like a cartoon. It's like nothing can go right in her life. This is sad. What the fuck?
Bro, it's actually so bad. Do you know, chat, that that's how I even got my following? Was because I would literally have such bad luck when I would come home from work that I would actually like just tell the stories on stream. If Rhyme Style is still here, Rhyme remembers. I would come home and tell my stories on stream because it was just so fucking shitty, including my car breaking down all the time. And then like the one time my friend was going through a breakup and so she really wanted to go running through the ocean because it made her feel free. Okay? And I had a big stream that night, but I said, sure, I'll go run in the ocean with you so you can feel free from your breakup. So I was fully dressed because I didn't expect to do it. And I run in the ocean and I had eyeliner on and it ran down my face. And then on my way home, my car broke down. And so I had to call the tow truck because my car broke down. And then the guy showed up and he said, it's okay, ma'am. Sometimes cars break down. There's nothing to cry about. And I said, oh no, I'm not crying because of my car. I went into the ocean later. And he goes, sure, Cinna. Or not sure, Cinna. He goes, sure, lady. Sure. Straight up. Sure, lady. Sure. That's it. And I'll never forget it. But I've told this story a million times on stream because he legitimately assured me. And it was one of those situations where I was like, okay, so you just don't believe that I didn't cry? Like, you can look at my hair. You can see it's all fucked up. Everything. Nope. Like, literally, that was my life a while ago. It was so bad. So bad. Got it.
Nah, and he's sitting up there looking like, yeah, I did it, nigga, so what? Look at that nigga. Nah, hold on, twin. If I would have looked up and I seen that bird shit on me and didn't move, nigga.
Who added the sound effects? Who added the sound effects? Is that his soundboard?
Nah, hold on, twin. If I would have looked up and I seen that bird shit on me and didn't move, nigga.
Oh, I love Marcus. He's such a good streamer.
I would have hand delivered that restaurant new wings for it to fucking eat, bro.
It's right there. Right?
No,
Get your fucking hands away from it. Why the fuck is she trying to touch it? Ew. Ewy. Gross. Why is she getting so fucking, her fingers so close to it, bro? And she barely touching them wings too.
Okay, all right. That's it. I'm gonna talk my shit really fast because this actually pissed me off. It pissed me off. I know how to eat wings, okay? I eat wings. I suck the meat off the bone when I eat wings, okay? But I was doing a hot wings challenge and I was trying to cheese the game because the wings were so fucking hot, all right? That's what it is. I was raised by my father, okay? I know how to eat a damn wing. And I got pissed off because I had a guy who commented on the post and he said, I'm white and I don't even understand why she's eating wings like that. First of all, what does that mean? Okay? What does that mean? Secondly, it's a hot wing challenge, okay? It's not the same thing. You would not survive, okay? You would not. I don't eat wings like this, bro.
Raven shit.
Oh yeah, no, come here, nigga.
He clocked you.
Come here, nigga. I would have threw a rock up there. I'd have threw a rock up there so motherfucking quick. Nah, nigga, you shit on my food. I didn't finish.
I think.
I just
Ah!
got shit on.
Dude, Rosie's little
And
fucking
he
laugh.
shit in my-
Get out of the clothes! What are we doing? Watch how quick I derobe. Watch this. This is gonna be the bird shit. Nigga, she's just sitting there taking it. He just shit on you. He just shit on you, bro. It's on her right now. She's pointing to her phone. Maybe she fucked with the bird. True.
I mean, it wasn't the bird's fault he had to shit. You know what I mean? The bird was just kind of vibing. It is what it is.
But y'all think I'm playing? No cap. Let me pause it real quick, bro. Anybody that dead ass got motion for real, that like actually fuck with my shit, I'm gonna tell y'all niggas one thing, bro. I will go to war behind them motherfuckers. Her, Cinna. It ain't too many, though. It ain't too many. But I dead ass will. No bullshit. It's like a loyalty thing. She is an asshole, though. I'm telling you, Mari's an asshole.
Oh.
But like, she's a nice asshole. She's not like a real like off-camera asshole, but
Bro, I'm telling you, chat, Marcus actually is a fucking homie. Bro, Marcus has looked out in times where like, yo, I remember there was one instance, and I don't have to say a lot, but just know I was heated. And Marcus swooped in and like we were already all like, cause we were planning for content and shit like that. We were already dealing with a lot of shit. And Marcus like literally helped like be like, all right, Cinna, like it's cool. If you need anything, we got you. Like Marcus is an actual homie. He is.
she's just a fucking dickhead sometimes. But I go to war. Like if we was out and about and I see the nigga disrespect Mari, Cinna, or like, you know, just people that fuck with my shit, I'm telling you, I go to jail.
Aww.
That's what I say to agent. You know what I'm saying? If someone try agent, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to jail 1,000%. Niggas don't got to lift a finger. I'll take it. Fuck it. Just bail me out type shit.
Wait, fuck. I have to post up bail money? All right, Marcus, don't do anything crazy, okay? Do not do anything crazy. Wait a minute.
Thanks for auditioning to be the face of Tone. You look nervous. Just remember the most important detail.
Wait, so this is a new company?
We're for audition. Come on, let's go.
Did I get the part? We'll get back to you. Tone HQ, the future of Fresh. And you, buddy, you got the chance to be the face of Fresh. Duke Dennis, market research.
Dude, this trailer already, I fuck with it. I like that it's not just like skincare line, show your skin. This is sick.
Hey, yo, let's roll this.
Lip balm focus group. Check it. Gotta focus, bro. Alright, see you, bro.
You're not supposed to be here, and you're definitely not supposed to smell like that. Yo, agent!
This should go here. Welcome to the lab. You're for sure a woodland guy. I'm more of a citrus guy myself.
There is no way.
You're here for the audition.
Chris!
That's all. I know it's your first time here. I was nervous my first time too, but that is no reason to be ashy, man. Is that Woodland?
Yo, audition guy, come on, bro, come on. Is that, oh, you see her? See, me personally, I like coconut, but that skin.
Wait, this is sick.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, watch out. See, look at my skin. Smooth, yes. Natural, mostly. But you want to know the secret? Watch out! Cocoa vanilla lotion. It's non-greasy and it absorbs quick, which
It's
you're
like a
gonna
movie
need.
trailer. I know that I like it.
You see the time? Come on! Let's do it! Come on!
Come on. Hey, get in here. Come on. Let's get in here.
Wait, this is so good.
Audition candidate 1573.
Whenever you're ready.
I actually have no words. Whoever the production team is and whoever scripted that commercial. What? That's crazy. That's so good. And then also, it's the fact that like it makes it as you, the producer, like you're the one auditioning because your skin is so good from like the product. Bro, whoever wrote this, oh my God. They did amazing. And it goes through all the members. The end could be better. No, I love the end. What? This is a perfect commercial. This feels like a commercial. This is going to be Glaze. This is going to be Glaze, but I mean it. This deadass feels like a commercial you would see on a Super Bowl. I'm sorry. It's going to be Glaze, but it feels like a Super Bowl commercial. I'm sorry. And if that's Glaze, then fucking sue me, bitch. Sue me, bitch. It's Glaze. Okay, it is.
Come on. Hey, get
Like
here.
it has a full script and everything. It's really well done.
Audition candidate 1573.
Whenever you're ready.
The sound design, everything, yeah. Is it deodorant or is it like a bunch of different stuff? I'm curious because I haven't seen anything. That's cool. They have fresh woodland, citrus, and coconut. Fire. Oh my God. Oh, wait, this is what I was dancing like? Wait, hold on, wait. This is what I was doing?
Legs today.
My God, I'm dancing like I'm racist. I don't even know how to explain it otherwise. I'm dancing like what I would imagine somebody who's racist dance like. Like, what is this? This is so bad.
Legs today.
Am I glitching? Like, hey, you dumb bitch. Why are you saying yeah? While you're who says yeah while they're hitting that? Yo, she ain't hitting shit, bro. What the
Legs today.
Have you seen the new Marvel Rivals characters? Wait, no, what? Johnny Storm is a Fantastic Four. I'm not reading all this.
Human Torch in the house, yo. You don't look so hot.
He fucking flies. Like, actually, like, why do we even play this game? Holy shit.
Boom goes the meteor. No applause?
Like he's so far away. He's so far away from the fighting. And then I can hear it now. I can hear it now. Somebody goes, DPS, take care of him. What? He's out of bounds. He's out of bounds. He's into the stratosphere, bro. What am I supposed to hit him with in order to get him to get out of the fucking sky? Just aim? You know you're asking too much. You're asking way too much, okay?
Dodge this! I'm the brightest in the sky. Supernova! Firestorm!
Wait, whoa. Did Storm just... Pray right now for the back line. Pray right now for the back line. Because the back line is cooked. Okay? If you're a healer, if you're a DPS, you know, yeah, you're done for. Back line is cooked, brother. It truly is. You are cooked. Holy shit.
Flame on!
I almost feel bad though praising this because they literally fired the team that brought them the great launch. And I don't understand why. I feel really bad praising this because they literally had one of the greatest launches that has ever happened in gaming in a while for a game like this. And they fired the team that literally is responsible for a lot of the creativity that got them there, which I think is kind of crazy.
Benjamin J. Grimm, reporting for duty. Go easy. Coming through. Let's rumble. I'll cover you.
I can deal with this though. This I can deal with.
Let's go, Logan. Ready to throw down.
Yeah, like how about that? I don't think that's that. I can deal with that. That's not even that crazy.
Ready to throw down.
Bro, this is nothing.
It's clobbering time! Booyah!
I'm not dying to this. This is nothing. Now that flying motherfucker, yeah, we're talking different, but this is nothing, bro. I ain't even sweating that. I'm gonna be honest. You don't even play anymore though? Yeah, that's true. I haven't played in a while. Like I said, I haven't played since the tournament. I haven't. Kai announces plans to rent an entire university for a week and call it Streaming University, where creators big and small can collaborate freely, and with Kai himself as a principal. I think Cinna should participate in this. Huge vouch.
I'm going to put out enrolls and applications of people to enroll into the university.
Do it?
All right.
Tips from Cinna, they are cooked. Hey, I think I'm a good streamer, all right? I think I do all right.
Now,
I think I do kind of
no
okay.
matter if you're big, no matter if you're a small streamer, you can stream the entire weekend. Everybody in that motherfucker could stream the entire weekend.
Low key though. Low key though. Content, if we're talking content. Content is king. You would get bullied. Bro, I would not get bullied. I would be first of all, I'd be a good ass teacher, okay? Can I be a hall monitor? I think I'd be a great hall monitor. Let me do that. If I see you outside of class, I'm snitching. That's right. I'm snitching. I don't care. I want to be a hall monitor. I want to be an undercover bully. I want to do that too. I want to start fights. I think I could be a good bully in school, low key. Bro, imagine me as a bully. Imagine. I'd be a good ass. You'd be a janitor. Okay. And somebody literally wrote janitor with a G. They spelled it ganitor. You think I'd be a fucking ganitor? That's what you think? Are we dead ass right now? We're dead ass. We're dead ass. We ain't the brightest. Okay. Oh, this is the video. Look at this shit.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck.
Bro, the fact that they lived, oh my God. The fact that they lived, bro, what the fuck? Does anybody have the video of it flipping? Because there's a video.
Oh my fucking God.
Yeah, no one died.
Yo, I was just on this fucking plane. Oh my God.
I don't think if I was them, I could never get on a plane again. Never. Like, I think I'd be traumatized for life. I'd be like, that's it.
Yo, I was just on this fucking plane. Holy fuck. Everything.
Another angle, like, look at this. It's literally upside down. That's crazy.
Drop it.
Oh. Wait, sorry. Another lady trying to get it out, but she tried to push that lady out. She just grabs her ass. Sorry, it's like a funny place to pause it, but that was really funny. All right. Wait, where's the other angle? Is it this? Yes. Watch this. The fact that they lived is insane. This was yesterday. You're asking when this was? This was yesterday, chat.
fuck. Oh, no, 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 no.
They are so lucky.
Airplane just crashed into Greek. Oh my god. Oh.
Bro, I get so scared on flights. If you've known me, I like grip the seat whenever I land, because if you don't know, landing and takeoff are apparently, like, everybody always thinks that your plane is going to fall out of the sky, and that's what happens. Landing and takeoff are actually the most dangerous parts of a flight, because you are more likely to crash in those instances than you are when you are actually in the air. And that is horrifying. 90% of accidents happen then, right? Yeah, I think it's 90% of accidents happen during takeoff or landing. It is very rare that an accident occurs in the sky. Holy shit, it's horrifying.
Oh my god.
Like, look at this. It's lit. Like, imagine you're landing completely normal. A wheel pops off, plane tips. You have no idea. Like, I don't know what happened here that caused it to tip, because I haven't read what they said. That's crazy.
Oh, fuck. Oh,
bro. Cinna, they made a coin out of that raven that shit. No way. Ranch raven? The raven that pooped on Cinna and her ranch. Somebody made a meme coin out of the raven that shit on me. Is this real? Is this real? Also, yeah, chat, needless to say, I'm gonna say this like so directly. If you buy this coin, you are fucking stupid. Do not buy this coin. You will get rug pulled. You are an idiot. And if you buy this coin, there's to an extent you deserve to get rug pulled, because I'm actively telling you, I don't know what the fuck this is. Do not buy this shit, all right? Don't do that. Do not do that. All right, if you want to be irresponsible and get rug pulled, then whatever. But bro, do not buy that shit. Drake and Academics using Cinna's dancing to Nokia as good PR. No way. No way. I got PR farmed, bro. No! I got PR farmed with a steak logo too. I thought we were past this era, man. I thought we were past this era. Why, bro? Why?